As we enter into the house, the foyer, the stairwell up. To the right, we have the dining room. And to the left, we have the living room. So let's take a look at the living room first. Wood-burning fireplace. Large living room with French doors leading out to a deck in the back. And there is plenty of room behind the couch there. You can open the double doors, and they do stay open as well. Go back over to the dining room. Large dining room. There's wall space as well if you're adding a china cabinet or hutch. And it connects to the kitchen over here. Kitchen renovated in 2019. There's a breakfast room on the back there they're using as a sitting room. Back door with a nice tile finish as you enter. Towel rug. Spin around so you can see the whole kitchen here. Farm sink. Nice new subway tile, stainless appliances. Nice shelving. Back here, there's a large pantry area. I'll show you. Could be also a mudroom area if you wanted coats in there as well. There are hooks. And lots of space. Also, the first floor has a full bath here. With new subway tile and faucet here. I'll swing you around. The back hallway here, where you see through the living room again. On the left is the door down to the basement. On the right, you have a door out to grill or out the French door, as I mentioned earlier. You can go out there to see the deck real quick. Which also has a screen, which is really nice. You can leave it open. As I was saying, the door's open nice and wide here. Garage on the right, and you can see the deck here in the back of the French doors. And a doggy. Other side of the living room. One more view I want to show you from over here. You can see the hallway leading to the front door. There's a storage bench here. There's storage inside, using for dog stuff here. You can see the front door, and also a coat closet here too. Large coat closet. It stretches back on both sides. Just come upstairs. Got two nice windows in the stairwell. It leads you up to 3 bedrooms and 1 bath up here. Let's start in the master. Large master bedroom. I'll spin you around here. Get the full view. The dresser on this side. 2 closets. And an added wardrobe here for extra closet space. Master bedroom here has a king size bed. Across the hall, 2 matching bedrooms. This one's being used as an office space. And a matching bedroom here. This one does have a balcony door. The balcony's not finished, so you could definitely finish that if you wanted more outdoor space. I will show you the closet space here. They're deep closets. There's a whole big box in there. There's space in the way back as well for off-season. Making our way down here to the finished basement that was recently totally renovated. There is a rec room down here, an office space, and a half bath. I'll show you the half bath first. Really nice finishes down here. Hardwood, barnwood floors. So utility rooms on the sides. Nice finished radiators. And an office back here. Could also be a guest room. It's a very large room. With a private entrance. Some storage under the stairs as well. It goes the length of the stairwell here. In the back here, you've got your unfinished part of the basement where the laundry is and storage, so lots of storage space. The boiler, the water heater, new washer dryer, new utility sink as well, and additional storage. Beautiful details even in the little door handles.